Hey, what's up, guys? Thanks for tuning in for another episode. Hope you guys enjoy the show. And today, me and my wife are actually headed to the Backwaters finally. And we got into some really nice perch. Now, I just want to let you guys know ahead of time that the audio cut out for some reason on my GoPro. First time it's ever actually happened to me, so I apologize for that. The sound was lacking in some parts of the clips, but I hope you guys enjoyed the action. And thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy. Good one. I don't even know where he came from.
I know.
It's so dark down there. There he goes. Another nice perch. Sorry for the bad lighting, it's just so dark in here, but that's what we need so that we can see down our holes. I'm gonna throw these perches in the bucket. Yeah. Do this. Tip. When you drill a hole, throw that ice in your bucket. Throw your fish in there and it'll stay cool. Oh my god. My pole almost went into the hole. What? Anything? You got one? Ooh. Put your rod down the hole. It's a good one, babe. Oh, I see it over here. Gosh, it was over here. That's crazy. I saw it over my hole. Really. Oh, that's a good one. Yeah. Wow. Look at that one. Wow. Look at that one. That's a big one too. Jeez. Yeah, good job, babe. Yeah, I'll drill holes quick and then we'll come back out. Wow. I didn't even know he was on there. I didn't even know he was on there. I didn't even know he was on there, but he was on there. Look at those colors. Holy smokes. That is a pretty fish. Ooh, good one. Ooh. Oh my god. Wow. Look at that one. I went diving for this guy. Holy smokes. That one's a big one. Oh, can you come help me? I'm like stuck here, stuck everywhere. Where's the fish? And as soon as we shack up, it's like we don't catch them again. Ooh! Wow!
Wow, you can say that again.
As soon as I say that, boom! That guy just nailed it. Holy cow. Like, I don't even know where he came from.
That's a big one. You want a picture?
I'll get a picture later. Look at that. Right on the corner there. A nice healthy perch. Ooh, beautiful. Right there. Right there too. You got fish?
Sure.
Oh, it's a good one. Don't lose it. Don't lose it. Wow.
And then I was like,
There's another good one right there. Wow. Got one. Yes.
wow.
Saw him hit it too.
Now.
Yeah. I saw him hit it way down there. Thanks, babe. Yes.
No one did it.
I got it. We're getting them. Nice ones too. These are big. Not like super big, but I mean, come on, Wisconsin or Mississippi backwaters. Catching them this size, you're doing good. It's probably at least 10 inches. Cool. Very nice.
It's right there.
You see one?
No, it went away.
Jig it again. You saw one looking at it?
Yeah, it swam right past me.
Dang. It must be moving. You know, these jigs, they glow. I think I'm gonna try making one glow really, really bright. See if that makes a difference in if the fish bite or not. Oh, sorry. We got one ready. Ooh.
Wow.
Right away.
Finally.
I put it down there. Wow, this one got like bit. Jesus. See this guy? He got like bit. He's a scarfish. Like, look at that.
On what?
By a bigger fish.
That's insane.
Come on, buddy. Like, look at this. Whoa, look at this, all scarred up.
Crazy.
Yeah. Look at that. He's just recovering. I'm gonna let him go.
Yep.
Yeah, I'm gonna let him go. See you later. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed watching that. We had a great day on the ice. It started out kind of slow, moved around, and finally found a spot where we actually got into some perch. I wasn't expecting that, but
a lot of perch.
yeah, I think that was that the first time catching perch?
That is for me.
Yeah, so I'm glad my wife was actually able to catch some really nice perch today. And all we used were just I used 4mm tungsten, glow white color, and we tipped it with 2 or 3 spikes, and that was it. That's all we used. The water was a little murky, so I think that glow helped the fish kind of narrow in on our bait. But here's a quick clip of our fish. There we go, guys. Got a nice pile of perch right there. I think I counted about 21. So nice job, babe. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed that. First trip to the backwaters. Actually, yeah, first real trip to the backwaters was a success. And yeah, if you guys are willing to come out here and put in the time, the effort, and the work, the reward is there. As far as ice report goes, we got about 7 to 8 inches. So there's plenty to walk on right now. And yeah, just always be careful when you're out there on the ice. But until next time, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.